Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are making stuffed potato boats, and I think that the inspiration behind this recipe was a few days or weeks ago. I don't exactly remember the time, but I saw this IGTV on Instagram, of course, from a Lebanese, I believe a Lebanese chef slash food content creator, and I really liked the recipe and it looked really good, and of course I was craving stuffed potatoes. So I never really got around to making it, so now I made it, and of course I've made it in a different way, but it's delicious all the same, so it's very easy to make. Let's show you guys how to make these stuffed potatoes. Here we have 4 potatoes, medium, that we've washed really well, and we've let them sit in water and salt for about an hour. And for the filling, we have here 2 medium carrots that we have grated, a small head of broccoli that we've cut into smaller pieces, about 2 tablespoons of parsley, a little bit of oil, a tablespoon of cream cheese. You can use any type of cheese spread you want, a handful of mozzarella cheese, and a few square cheeses, and lastly pepper and some salt. Our first step is you're gonna take a fork and you're gonna stab the potato. You can also use a knife. And now we're going to bake our potatoes in an oven we've preheated to 250 degrees Celsius, and we're going to bake it for 45 minutes to 1 hour, depends on the size of your potatoes. So after we've baked it, it took us a total of 1 hour, 1 hour sharp. So we've cut it in half, and now we're just going to scoop out the inside, but don't scoop it out completely because we still need some of it left in there. And I get it, it's still hot, but if you wait for it to cool down before you start scooping it out, it's going to be much harder to do so. So just tolerate the heat because it's going to be worth it. So after we've scooped out the inside, we're just going to sprinkle some salt and pepper over them, just for some flavor. We're going to add some black pepper. Using a fork, we're going to just mash it a little. We still need a few pieces that are like large or lumpy, just for some texture. So now we're going to add the cream cheese, salt and pepper, add some pepper, and we're just going to mix that around. So now we're going to add mozzarella cheese, broccoli, carrots, as well as parsley. Now we're just going to mix everything together. So after we've mixed everything together, now we're just going to brush the inside of our potatoes with some oil. And we've already preheated our oven to 180 just so so the filling can cook. So I've brushed all of them with oil, and now we're just going to start filling. We're just going to take a spoon and we're going to start filling them gently. So after filling in all of our potato boats, now we're just going to take a square cheese. You can use any cheese you want. And we're just going to cut it and just put it on top of our potatoes. So now that we've covered the top with cheese, now we're just going to bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. But you have to keep constant watch on it because we need our carrots and broccoli to cook, but we also don't want the cheese to burn. So this is what they look like after we took them out of the oven. And as you can see, the cheese looks nice and melty, and it looks golden brown, and it smells amazing, so I can't wait to try it. So let's just cut it in the center, if that's even possible. This is what it looks like from the inside. It's nice and soft, so let's try a bite. So I think that typically people are just going to eat the inside, but I eat everything in stuffed potatoes. Also, I think that's where the most delicious part is, and all the vitamins. So when I took the bite, it was still very hot, so. But yeah, it's amazing. It's very smooth and creamy. And of course, the carrots and broccoli provide it with some more texture. The cheese from the top also gives a nice addition of flavor. So I highly recommend trying them because they are amazing. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. And if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!